Hi friends, welcome to Tutor Sunny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the inventory management system, point of sale system using Jsp Servlet Ajax. Okay, so here I already show the demo. So here if I enter the relevant product code, relevant product name and price will be displayed over here. If you enter the quantity, click add button, it will be added here below table. Here you will be able to pay the amount, the balance also display over here, right? Here if you are click the cash or cash, click print invoice. Here nicely here you can see the print receipt over here. It will be printed on the terminal printer. Okay, this all the things we have, you can see here. Print receipt look like this. Okay, very simple, right? So how to do this system step by step we'll teach. Okay, and if you click print, it will be printed. Okay, I will be cancel it here. Okay, I will be explain it. So let's go to the source code, right? So first this is the sales form I have designed, right? This is a sales form, right? So how to design a sales form? Very simple, right? So instead of I'm writing here, here let's go to the file and new project. I'm going to create and explain. You have a good idea. Java application. Click next. Here I'm going to, you have to uncheck it. Create main class. Here I'm going to type. Okay, file new project. Java. Okay, Java web application. Not Java application. Java web application. Click next. Here I'm going to create the project name as inventory J servlet JSP. Okay, here it asks to run the server. Yeah, Glassfish and Apache is a good one. Okay, you just select as Apache. Okay, so I recommend to select as Apache Tomcat Apache. Click next. Here I'm not using the any framework right now, so click finish. Right, now you can see the blank HTML form over here. It's a blank HTML form. We have to wait until the project is selected. Right. Okay. It's created successfully with the name of inventory. So let's go to the project. Where is created. If the web project is created, you can see here this one icon. This icon will be there. The web projects. This is also Windows based. Web based is there, right? Your project has been created successfully. Let's go back to our database. So I'm going to type localhost phpMyAdmin. If you are not installed the XAMPP server in your machine, you must install the XAMPP server. I hope you know already how to install the XAMPP server in your machine. I have already created the database JSP post. Inside the database is tables I have created. So here you have created this table. You have to manually create ID. You just add the manual data here, right? This is a structure. This is a barcode I have set it here. Okay, product name, description, category, brand. This is all the stuff you have to just create it here. This is a barcode. I only added the barcode as int. Okay, if I enter the relevant barcode, relevant information will be displayed here. If I enter the relevant barcode, I haven't run the app, that's why it's not displayed. The relevant information will be displayed right here over here, right? So what I did here is, these are the tables we have to create in the database. Product table, sales table. Sales table consists of this: ID, cashier ID, date, subtotal, pay, balance. This cashier we no needed them at the moment. We just remove that. Later I will do it how to create the cashier also. Okay, which user will handle the sales. Okay, we only the ID, total, pay, and balance. Right, these are the columns on the sales table: ID, date, subtotal, pay, balance. Right, if you go through the sales product table, ID, sales ID, product ID, price, quantity, this one, right? Sales. But if you are going this particular sale, this ID should be coming here. There's a sales ID here. This sales ID. You can see the sales ID. Only the one sales here. These are sales ID. barcode, this is the product they are buying. Okay, so very simple. This is, you have to create two tables, sales table and sales product table. Sales table, you have these fields: ID, sales ID, product ID, price and quantity in total. Sales table consists of these following columns: ID, date, subtotal, pay, balance. Okay, right. So product table consists of these following columns: ID, product name, description, uh, category, brand. These are the columns you have to create it yourself. You add manual data. First you have to test it whether how the data flow on. Okay, you have to add manual data and check it. This one you have to add it. One or two, three products you have to add it here. You have to go to the insert and you have to add this product. Okay, ID should be auto increment. You have to add another product as uh, some mobile, Samsung mobile. Description just like same thing I put it here. Category 1, brand 1, I just give as total price 23,000, cost price, retail price 30,000, quantity 200, read order level 10, barcode 1313, sales date today date, just put it this date, status, just click active, 1 click that's 1 mean active. That's it. Now you can check here. This data is created successfully. If you are execute the program and check, you will be able to work it this one, right? So let's run on attack. This is pause. Not this one. Okay. It's compile running. So it's very simple. Okay, right? That's why I have been explaining, okay, here how the flow it's work, right? I have added another product, right? First you have to check whether how the product is working on, right? If you have to wait until the configuration success only the first time, it's all compiling all the stuff, the Tomcat, all the stuff you have to compile. Okay, that's why it takes some time to compile all the stuff here. If I get any error, you can read the error on the Apache. What is error you are getting? If there is any problem with your connection or port problem, all the problem will be explained on here when you run that. Okay, when it's deploying here, now it will be deploying. Now if you click single run, it will be executing and running. Okay, in 10 years before, not like that. JSP, if you are running, we have a separate to deployment. You have deployment there. Okay, so here if I add the new one here and another one here, it's successfully here. If I type the product title and product details, it should be display this one, product details here. If I type this relevant barcode here, Samsung mobile, cost would be displayed very successfully. If I type this one, successfully it will be displayed. Here, after quantity is 2, add it, it's working successfully, right? So this is how we have to work. Okay, now we have an idea, okay, how the thing is working on, right? So we have to create these separate two tables. Okay, these two tables you have to create it, right? The first step you have to create the table. Okay, these are the following table you have to create: sales table, product table and sales product table. These are the columns you have to create. Okay, if you go to the structure, these are structure int all the stuff you have set it as int data type, but it's auto increment. ID with set as primary key with auto increment. Okay, I hope you how to create the database structure. Okay, this is you are I hope you are not beginner. You already know about how to create the tables into your database, right? So you have to create the tables, right? This is the tables. These are the table structure. Another one, sales table, right? These are structure. This is a product table. You have to create these tables first. Okay. After that, what you are going to do is we have designed this particular form. Which form? This nice sales form. How to create this nice sales form? I'll be extend simple form, right? So I just go to sales form. I just getting this sales part only. If you know about the sales part, very simple. I just copy it, paste into my project. My project is, what is the project name? Inventory Servlet. That's the project right here. Here, if you are create the first time, it's coming as a index.html. I remove it, delete them. You have to select the web here web pages. Here I'm going to select the as JSP. This one should be JSP. So select as index.jsp. Sorry, JSP, not JS, not JSP. So the web pages, new JSP index. Only you have type index. Extension should be applied index. Okay, you don't need to type the extension here. Extension will be explained here. It will JSP. Finish it. Form will be created successfully. I just paste this code. Whatever code I copied. I'll be explaining. Don't worry about this. All source code I provide in my website. You will be able to getting and use it your programming. This is at the moment we don't need the session. Okay, right. Okay, you have to understand the structure of this one. This is a HTML tag. It's starting. Inside that tag, we have to add it into the. This is the title. We have to the inventory system in Jsp Ajax. You can see here. This is the title we have given here. Inventory management system. Right. This is a bootstrap link. You will be able to getting bootstrap min CSS and min CSS. This is all the stuff. You go to the. You simply go to the Google. Go to bootstrap. You have to go to the bootstrap. Go to the bootstrap. Get in bootstrap. You have to import them. Bootstrap styles. You have to docs. Go to the docs. You can see here the files. So this one CDN. This there here. Bootstrap min.js. These two things you have to copy and paste it over here. Just copy and paste it over here. This is the old one. You have to paste it a new one here. This is min.js. Okay. After that you have to copy and paste it this as well. This is the JS file. Bundle min.js file. So run on this. A new one. If you have any error, it will be showing here. It's getting this browser. That's no problem. Okay, you have to configure the browser in NetBeans. No, don't worry about that. I'll be explain how to configure the browser and all. You don't worry about that. At the first time, if it is running, it takes some time to configure and running. That's why it takes some time. After first time, it will be run in your machine. After that, it will be quickly. It will be run. Just don't worry about it. The first time only, it will getting some slow. Okay. This is this problem also getting from the session and everything. Okay, it's no problem, right? It's values. Okay, it's no problem. Okay, right. This one it's no problem. Okay, this one. Here I have designed this one. Something I have designed this one also. You have to get rid of this one. This one also need session also we know it. Right. Again I have to run it and check here. Browser as Chrome and execute it. It is default. If you are not set the browser, it's defaultly take the browser and execute the program. Here it's working. A nice look. This is the CSS styles. It's apply. Now it's not work on anything else here because this is the blank form. Okay, if you are design this blank form, I'll be design it. Okay, so this is the style sheet we have to edit. Okay, first you have to type link red relationship style sheet href. Inside href you have to copy and paste this two styles whatever I created over here, these styles. Okay, I just CDN. You go to the documentation, you can get the CDN CSS as well as a JS files. You have to get them and paste it over here. Right, perfect. After that, what you are going to do is we have to do the table creation process. This one should be this is the nice design. Okay, this is a nice design. You can see here. You can this all design I'll put into my website. You will be able to put into your website. Right? Don't worry about that. But first you have to learn purpose. So this is simple design form. This form design I've already given here. This one. You just copy and paste it. This all are in order to design this form we have to use Bootstrap. Okay, bootstrap. Okay, how the bootstrap class or stuff you have designed. Okay, this is a table design. Table design means this is table. This all put it the table. Simple table you have put it. Product code, product name. This all the file. This also this you have put it the labels. Okay, it's a nice look. If you want to change the color, you will be able to change. This is a barcode, product name, price. All stuff I have put it over here. If you can set it as a shortcut key, also you have to set it a shortcut key as well. For shortcut key we will be talking in later on, right? This is a product design part, a simple form design, right? Okay, this design I no need to explain this. I know you already know how to design the form. Okay, so here is all the source code I put into my website. You just copy and paste it to your NetBeans ID and you have to run it. Okay, after that this is style which is a getting from the this validate main dot this all the plugin folder I will be putting into my website later on. Okay, this one I will be explaining it later on. Okay, this is JS jQuery part, how the JS servlet interact on JSP. We will be explaining my in next video tutorial. Okay, this all the stuff we will be talking in my next video tutorial. Keep on watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Thank you for watching.